Hello to my besties, old and new, and welcome back to yet another rules list. This one's gonna be my rules for a first date. Yes, I've done this before, but I've changed my mind a little bit and updated it for the people who haven't seen it yet. As always, you can go to my Instagram and screenshot this for screenshotting purposes, but without further ado, I have opinions and you have ears, so sit back, relax, and let's get into it. My rules for a first date. Number 1, the most elite first date day is a Thursday. Now, why? On a Thursday, you can say to somebody, what are your plans for Saturday? And then you can go out with them on a Saturday or get Sunday brunch. It's the perfect closeness to the weekend where you could make plans for a second date before Monday, and then you know how you feel about them before the new week starts. Number 2, when you're pre-gaming for the first date, it's 1.5 glasses of something. Maybe you don't drink, so red wine if you do drink. If you don't drink, have 1.5 glasses of Diet Coke. Get yourself pumped up. While you're doing this, I want you to listen to Ariana Grande. You just have to. God is a woman. I don't know what your prerogative is. It just makes you feel good before you go on a date. Number 4, you do not need to be texting a person all day, every day before you go on a first date with them. You don't know them. Don't become a pen pal before. You want to get to know them in person, not over the phone. Number 5, if you're feeling a little bit nervous, plan first dates on the same night as your single friends. All of you are going to get together. All of you are going to pregame together. All of you are going to get ready together. And then you're all going to go on a first date. And then you're going to come home and regroup. It's really fun. Number 6, for a first date, having a beverage is king because then you can hold something and you have something to do. If you don't drink and you don't want to go out for drinks, go out for coffee. That way you're just holding something and you have something to sip on. It just makes you feel more comfortable. But what are we going to wear? The Canadian tuxedo to F me sweater pipeline. Okay. Spring and summer, I love a Canadian tuxedo. I literally love wearing jeans and a little jean jacket and like a cute top underneath, or like jean shorts and a jean jacket. It's just cute as fuck. It's fun. I would always do it on my first dates. But if it's winter, you're going to wear an F me sweater, and there's an F me sweater explanation on my Instagram. I'll put it on the stories right now. An F me sweater is just a sweater that screams F me. It's the perfect sweater for you, one that makes you feel confident but look really good and soft and huggable. I'll post examples to my Insta story. Number 9, you're not adding their contact in your phone until the third date. They do not need to take up real estate in your phone contacts until the third date. Period. End of story. Now, I wouldn't be a Cancer sun, Cancer moon if I didn't teach you some light manipulative tactics. So essentially, if you're going on a date with a straight man, straight men fall in love in the time spent away from you when they can think about you subconsciously. So have an incredible first date and then leave. Give him the time to think about you and fall in love with you, okay? Women fall in love through sex and intimate conversation. So if you're on a date with a woman, converse. Number 11, we don't want to show our relationship personalities right off the bat, and our first date personalities are always going to be a little bit subdued, but tell one comedic trauma story to give them an appetizer, to show them what's coming, okay? What are you going to order if you're having drinks? You're going to get a spicy, sexy margarita. That's basically just a spicy, skinny margarita, but better. And if you're eating food, definitely share because it just makes everybody feel more comfortable. If the person pays for the date, thank them in person, but do not text them first unless they tell you, text me on your way home. Text me when you're home. And when the bill comes, just look at it like you've never seen that in your life, okay? He can pay for you. If you run out of conversation topics, what are your top 5 favorite albums? What would you bring on a deserted island? Easy. You're going to go to the bathroom at some point and send a thumbs up to a friend, guardian, parent. Just letting everybody know that you're safe and okay. Number 16, make tentative plans with your friends for after, so you have somewhere to go if you don't want to stick around. You could also cancel them if you do.